Welcome to Technically Speaking. Today we'd like to talk about aligning a 2V die rail system for European style press brake tools. So we'll talk about how to prepare the die rail to be aligned, how to get it aligned, and then how to lock it in position. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have a typical setup for a European 2V die system. So we have what we call a die holder, a die rail, which is what floats to provide the alignment, and then we have a punch that's fixed into the upper beam of the machine. The die will sit on this die rail. We will bring the punch into the die to create the alignment, and then we will lock it into position by tightening these bolts. So realigning the die rail is something that needs to be done whenever you change a tooling style. For example, changing from a non-quick change old style die to a quick change 2V die system, or maybe to an offset punch and die. So the die slides onto the rail, onto this groove, and then we will visually get it aligned so that it's reasonably close, and then we'll bring the punch into the die to create the alignment, and then we will tighten up the bolts to lock it in place. And then typically we'll check that and make sure that our alignment is the way we want it. And that's all there is to it. We're locked in alignment now, and we're ready to go. Okay, so we did a quick instruction of how to do the alignment for a quick change 2V die rail system for European style tooling. I hope you find this information useful. If you like this video, please click like. If you have ideas for other Technically Speaking videos that we could do, please submit those to the email that you see below. And Technically Speaking, now you know.